Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Surface Book 3 and without wasting a second, let's get started. So I ordered my Surface Book 3 online directly from Microsoft. Since I was eligible for the special pricing, I got the device for around $3,059. I know it is expensive, but it is because it is the only one of its kind present in the market right now. So we don't need the box, and here it goes. I will take off the cover right now. The gloss of the box is itself incredible and worth the feel for the amount spent on it. So while I'm peeling away the cover of the box, please make sure to give a thumbs up to the video, since it will dramatically help my new channel. I will soon upload another video related to the review of Surface Book 3. If you are the one who is interested in knowing more about this device, make sure you stay tuned and subscribed. Your help is much appreciated. And here comes the beauty Surface Book 3. The case itself has a strong build. It is the only device in the market right now with an immense power to work both as a laptop and a robust tablet. A device like this appeals for attention. Now this device has a platinum color with a magnesium casing. It feels so incredible while holding this device in hands. But before we look at Surface Book 3 itself, we will look what's in the box, and I will put the Surface Book 3 away. I know you're all excited to explore more about it, and we will do it soon. And looking at the box, it seems that there are some documents or papers in here, and which I'm quite sure that no one reads them, so I will put them away for now, and I might not touch them for my whole life. And this massive box seems like it holds a power brick. So the power brick itself is having a power of 120 watts. It is a lot of power, and compared to the machine like this, it is obvious that the Microsoft had to use such a powerful brick. Just put it down here and put this away. So well, it is the time to put this box away, and we will explore more about the Surface Book 3 itself. OMG, it feels super good, although it feels a little heavy. Well, I will put the charging brick near the laptop for you to visualize the whole package. And this too, put it on the side. And now I will peel away the cover. Just figuring out. And got the way. Okay, so peeling the cover, and it just slid away so smoothly, just like butter. The cover itself has a premium touch. So as I will be opening the laptop, I will go over the specification of this particular model. It has a better processor and the speed than the last time. So this is a 512 gigs of storage with a 13.5-inch laptop that has a quad-core Intel i7 processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and it has a capacity to detach itself and function like a tablet as well. Now Microsoft says that the laptop can be opened with one hand, however, I have some difficulty opening it. Furthermore, the laptop has a Pixel Sense display and holds up to 267 pixels per inch with a 3:2 aspect ratio. It is a touchscreen laptop, so you can use the Surface Pen with it too. However, you have to buy the Surface Pen separately. It has an 8 megapixel rear-facing and 5 megapixel front-facing camera. And one thing for sure, it has the best video quality you can ever expect from a laptop. It also has a dedicated GPU, that is NVIDIA GeForce GTX. Nice. Now we will look at the ports right now. Stick with me. It has 2 USB-A port and a full-size SD card slot. It is nice. Turning the laptop on the other side, it has a charging point and a USB-C port and a headphone jack on the top, which I expect on the side. So with all these amazing specs and qualities, I love this laptop. Well, it is almost the end of the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and wait for the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.